Hello everyone, I'm Debapriya Sengupta Roy and I hope you enjoyed my short monologue reel. Okay, so by profession, I'm a lecturer of business management, a soft skills trainer living in Dubai for the past 19 years. And yes, I'm a passionate lover of arts, acting, and music. I'm a trained Hindustani classical vocalist, and since childhood, I have participated in several projects related to music and acting, be it school, be it college, and later with groups with common interests. And I still continue to do so. Well, you can say that acting is very similar to teaching, and I'll tell you why. When we speak to our students in the capacity of lecturer or a soft skills trainer, we stand on the podium, we stand on the stage, and our job is to connect and engage with our audience, to be very expressive, and to constantly gauge their reaction. And yes, there's a lot of theatrics also involved when it comes to teaching. So these two professions are quite interlinked, and I always aspire to carry the energy from one to the other. And finally, yes, I am a Bengali. আমি খুবই বাঙালি, কিন্তু I'm not going to say a line in Bengali. Rather, I'm going to sing a song for you in Bengali. পুরানো সেই দিনের কথা ভুলবি কি রে, হায় ও সেই চোখের দেখা প্রাণীর কথা সে কি ভোলা যায়। I hope you enjoyed. আশা করি আপনাদের গানটা খুবই ভালো লেগেছে, আর আশা করি শিগগিরই দেখা হবে। ওকে, see you soon, bye.